Hi everyone, we are here in Milan. We took the train from Cinque Terre and now we're right here. We've just checked into our Airbnb. It's really cute, it's small and cozy but very nice. Right now we're just gonna do our laundry. We're gonna check out the sites like the Duomo and the giant shopping center, and then I am craving some kind of non-Italian food. I'm sorry. So we've been here about 5 days now and I am getting a bit tired of spaghetti and pizza. So I need some like Asian food. I need some like either Japanese or Chinese food because cravings. Yeah, so we're gonna go explore this area. We're staying right by the canal. It has a really nice view. But I don't know, it might be noisy at night, we'll see. But apart from that, it's a really nice and cozy place. I really like it. It has really pretty much everything. A small little kitchen, a big bed, I think it's from IKEA, and the toilet is kind of small, but they managed to fit in a washing machine, and we need to do laundry. We are here at the Duomo. It's so big, I can't fit it in my camera. It is really crowded and filled with pigeons. Oh my goodness. Pigeons galore. Good morning. We had such a good night last night. We went to this place called River. We just found it walking along the canal. It seems that the common thing to do here is to have an aperitif. It's like a buffet, an all-you-can-eat buffet and a drink. So we both got a spritz and then we totally just like whacked that buffet, man. It was so freaking good. I haven't had proper vegetables in quite a long while, so that spread of veggies was really just amazing. I was so pleased. Plus the dessert was good too. There were fruits, there were like grapes and honeydew, and this like really good blueberry tart, which was amazing. Really good. I would totally recommend doing that when you come here. Definitely go for the aperitif. Hey, we wanted to get like Japanese food, but after like looking at everyone having like a blast at the buffet, we just like, yeah, we gotta get the buffet. We had to have it.
We are on the train. we had to do a mad rush.
Yeah, we had to run to the train. We were almost late because somebody couldn't wake up on time.
And that somebody is me.
So right now we are on the train. We're going to make our way to Lake Como on a day trip, just a day trip. We're gonna spend the whole day there. We're gonna take some photos. We're gonna have some food and fly the drone. We're gonna have fun. It's gonna be nice.
Okay, out.
We're here in Lake Como and it's really beautiful, and it's really cold too. Actually, it's like 17 or 18 degrees, so I bought this shawl. So Lake Como is famous for their silk, so she says this is like a mix of silk and cotton, and it's only 10 euros and it's so pretty. It's warm too. Okay, we're gonna go have some breakfast pancakes. Yes. The hubby ordered some pancakes. Don't they look good? So we're just hanging out here having our breakfast. Look at the cup. It says Lake Como. It's really cold, so we needed something warm. Nice warm coffee to warm ourselves. Thank you. we're at Villa Monastero. It's a botanical gardens and museum, but the museum is closed today, so we're just going to check out the gardens. It's €6 per person. Now we're gonna take the ferry to Bellagio. So we're just wandering around. We don't really have any plans. But it's nice. Just explore this town, Bellagio. Got gelato at this shop over here. Is it the oldest gelato shop here?
You say so, 1919.
We're gonna enjoy some gelato right now. Good. We are gonna take the ferry back to Varenna, and then we're gonna have dinner there. So, love, do you have fun today?
Of course, I wish you had more time here. There's so much to see.
I really enjoyed myself.
We spent like 4 hours, 5, it's not enough.
We spent the whole day here, like doing nothing. I didn't really plan anything. We just walked around, took photos.
Eat ice cream, gelato.
Yeah, had gelato. It was great.
Great weather. You spent the whole day here. That's why we always run out of money.
Just got back to our apartment. It was a really long day. I'm so tired. Just now in the train, I almost got pickpocketed. I was entering the train, then I felt my bag being like tugged, and when I put it in the front, my bag was like open. Oh my god. But luckily, nothing was taken. There was this girl that was like blocking the train. I think she must have been the one to like open my bag, and luckily I put everything, like all my valuables, all like tucked in really deep inside, in like the really back compartment. So nothing was stolen, which is good. We just gotta be really careful here and really watch your stuff. Good morning, it's our final day in Milan today, and we are gonna go and split up. Hubby is going to the San Siro Stadium. It's a big giant football stadium which I have no interest in. And I'm gonna go and see if I can go up the Duomo to check out the rooftop, because I think the view from there is pretty nice. Then we'll meet up, and then in the evening we're gonna go to Venice. We're gonna take the train all the way to Venice and then spend like 2 nights there. So I'm back here at the Duomo, and I'm gonna figure out where to get a ticket. The queue doesn't look too bad, but I'm gonna get the cheaper ticket, the one with the stairs. And I'm just wondering like how many stairs I have to climb. That's gonna be my workout of the day. The queue isn't really long, not at all, so I guess it's good. I saved money not buying the fast track tickets. The fast track is like €25. And the ticket I bought for the stairs is €13. Okay, so this is the way way to the rooftop. It's at the side of the area. It's not in the main entrance. It's a really tiny staircase. It's super claustrophobic. And it's gonna be my workout of the day. Alright, I'm gonna take off my jacket because this is like hot. It's really hot. It's really damn claustrophobic. I made it. Okay, it wasn't that bad. Surprisingly, it wasn't bad. Let me see. I took 3 minutes to get up. Okay, it's not that bad at all. It was only 3 minutes. And look at them views. I'm now at the rooftop of the Duomo, and it's not too crowded because it's really cold, I guess. I'm having lots of fun here without the husband, but I hope he's having fun too.
So the wife and I, we have decided to go different places. She went to the Duomo Cathedral, while I'm at the San Siro!
Okay, so I'm reunited with hubby. Did you have fun?
Yeah, but the stadium was a bit quiet.
There was no one there.
Not much. There was no one to take pictures for me too.
Oh, yeah, me too. I needed my Insta hubby at that moment. So like, all my photos were like out of focus.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh no.
I'll show you later. So that's all for Milan. Now we're making our way to the next place, which is Venice. It's one of the more exciting places for me, but also our last stop. And then it's back to work.